Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster. Come take a test drive today.